Alright, I said no more sanding, but in final prep, after my final prep video, all these yellow little things are places that still need welding. Like, I put a hole to weld and never welded in some of them. So lots of little places, like I punched holes there. This is welded here, but I punched holes in that, and that's not even exactly where it should be. It's welded like crazy here and here, but I just want all my holes filled. So when you think you're done, you're not done. It's never done, is it?
Never done.
Soon. Alright, continuing 1969 Charger sanding. I told you I wasn't going to show you any sanding, but I'll show you some progress. It's been a few weeks since I recorded anything, but every nook and cranny, every corner, just everything is getting to be super slick. But the point of this vid is Pops is drilling me some pilot holes for the welds on the inside. Heck, it looks like you just drilled it out. It's loose, Pop.
Oh,
That bottom one just needs a little more. You drilling the whole thing out?
No. Just till I pop through the first layer.
Let's go around. I think that thing is flexed so much that it's already ready to pop off of there.
See, look, that's just one little hole, and it pushed it through.
Oh.
That one's through.
Yeah. I didn't know it had 4 welds on it.
Oh, that popped it through.
Yeah.
Those aren't really welds. I don't know what they are.
Let me wiggle it from the other side, see if it'll just
Yeah, it'll
come
probably pop off now.
off. Not quite yet.
Okay.
Looks like that bottom corner, right? Yep. So I'm not sure what this piece does. I'll find out at some point, but it shouldn't be all strung like that.
Right now.
It's still got some beef in it. Here, use your pilot hole and do this one. Do this guy.
I haven't even broken through yet.
Yeah,
It's gonna make a big hole.
That's fine. It'll fall off now, Bob.
Yeah, it will.
It will fall
It
off.
did.
It will fall
It did. It did. Watch it. Might be hot.
Ooh, my Lanta.
Georgia. Now we need to grind all that junk off of there.
Yeah.
Beat it senseless flat. Look at that flat piece.
I think that is the accelerator pedal linkage
it
goes
might
through
be.
there. Because there's where the accelerator mounts. I think that is just the throttle that comes out.
Yeah,
there.
the cable comes through there.
But let's dolly this.
Yeah, that's got to be fixed.
Clean that up. And I don't know why that looks so bad. Then we'll throw a little primer, a weld through primer on it, and then weld this bad boy back in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll cut back after all that's done.
Okay. We want to put the 2 clamps in there to clamp it while you weld it.
Yeah, I think so. But yeah, get it to where it's lined up with those holes. So we smash this with the sledge. I got this if you want. Smash this with the sledge, ground it all off. I'm gonna clean up the little paint overspray that's inside the holes, and then where he drilled through, that shows us where it goes exactly. We'll put it back there, and then all the other little holes that he drilled out, we may drill out a little bigger and then weld it up, clamp it and weld it.
Yep.
So that's the end of this fix. You've seen us weld a million times, but
yep.
It'll be pretty, it'll be nice, and it'll be flat and won't look like what the hell happened there.
Yeah, we'll spray weld through primer on all this.
Yep, and
then,
this.
and that, and then welder.
And welder, and then it'll prime, and then it'll go paint, it'll be nice.
That one, we'll drill that out, and that out a little bigger. So you got 4 holes.
This one's plenty big.
Yeah, that was big
weld.
enough.
Golly. Alright, that's it from this shorty on Clark's Place. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you.